everyone, Yolandi here. Welcome back to Bake Bottle Cook. So today I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut sausage roll. And the best is that this recipe is so easy. You only need 4 ingredients. We're not going to make our own pastry. We're using pork bangers and puff pastry or shortcrust pastry. Just the rolls that you buy in the stores. So this is a super simple recipe, easiest sausage rolls to prepare for a weeknight dinner. Let's get started. And all we'll need for this recipe is pork bangers, a shortcrust pastry, some water to seal the dough, and of course egg for that lovely golden crust. I've switched my oven onto 200 degrees Celsius and I've just lined a pan with parchment paper. The first thing you want to do is check whether your sausages has a very tough, thick skin. If it does, you can remove it. But the ones I'm using today is beautiful actually. The skin is very soft and thin. I'm going to use it as is in my sausage rolls. I won't remove the skin on these. We'll bake our sausage rolls for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees. If you see that your crust isn't golden brown by about 25 minutes, just put it back in for about 5 minutes. And remember, this is a banger sausage roll. You can use pork bangers, you can use mutton, beef, anything. I'm using pork today. So when I remove them from the oven, I'll be checking the internal temperature. It needs to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so that I'm sure they cook through. So let's start by rolling out our dough. Before you start baking, remove your dough from the fridge about an hour before the time. So once we've rolled out the dough, we can just start packing our sausages onto the dough. Remember to keep allowances for when you roll your dough into a sausage roll. So once we've shaped and rolled all our sausage rolls, we're ready for the oven. But let's first slice them at the top, just so to avoid them from bursting. We don't want our sausage rolls to burst. And then we'll brush them with some egg wash. And that's it, we're ready for the oven. Let's put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Our sausage rolls are ready. I've baked them for 25 minutes. Enjoy it with some tomato sauce or sweet chili sauce or even a lovely gravy. I'm just going to let them cool down for 10 minutes and then we can plate up. So that's my quick and easy pork banger sausage roll recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.